Let us begin. So let us first understand what really is refraction. Well, refraction is the bending of light. Basically, when light moves from an optically rarer medium to an optically denser medium, it bends because there is a variation of the speed of light. As you may all know, the common example, let's say you take a glass half filled with water and drop a pencil inside. Why does the pencil look severed and distorted? Well, in none other than it's because of refraction of light. So now, why does light actually bend? What is the story of this? Well, first and the most important reason is speed variation. When light travels in glass, it travels at around 200,000 kilometers per hour. But as light travels through air, as we all know, it's 3 to 10 to the power of 8 meters per second, or 300,000 kilometers per second. So it is this sudden speed change that really causes the refraction of the light. So let us think of it as a marching band, right? So when a band marches, the half road is covered in muddy and the other half is just normal pavement. So when the band approaches the muddy area, it slows down, whereas the band walking in the pavement moves at a faster speed. Now, to match the part of the band moving in the muddy area, the band pivots, or it slightly turns and reduces its speed as well. So this is the bending of the band, and this is exactly how refraction works. So refraction is really predictable, and it's mathematically predictable, and Will Berzelius discovered his law, or he made a formula which is basically n1 sin theta 1 is equal to n2 sin theta 2. So what is n? N is basically the refractive index. Refractive index, what is that? It is basically how much light slows down in different medium. In air it is 1.0 as we know, in water the refractive index is 1.33 and in glass it is 1.5. Sin theta 1, sin theta 2 represents the angle formed with the normal or perpendicular light to the boundary. So now where can we use this refraction? Yes, that's right, it's in lens. So what exactly is a lens now? A lens is a carefully shaped piece of glass or material, right? So it is in a way that it's going to refract light to form clear images. So there's obviously two types of lenses, and as we all know, the first one is convex lens. So what exactly does this convex lens do is, when parallel rays enter a convex lens, it refracts through the glass slab, right? And it bends inwards, meeting at the focal point. So how do we exactly